Are you comfortable? Hey? That's cool. Are you making everything secure? Hmm?
I will sit you on a line like this. And I will ask you to walk sideways down with me slowly up until this place here, okay? Then from this point, I will ask you to sit underneath the cable like this. If you may have a look, my whole weight is just in here. I'm actually sitting on the harnesses here. You need to sit. You guys got a full body harnesses unlike this one. So you just need to sit and relax, okay? If you may have a look here, we've got a bar. We're going to hold this bar this way, but the other way around. We're ready to take comfortable, okay? So whenever you're ready, you just push this bar up like this, and your feet up, off you go. We're gonna just keep this bar up like this all the way until you get a sign from moving on the other side. We're going to start braking, which means we're putting the brakes down, okay? Up is to go, down is to brake.
So the last part, just you can smile to each another, okay, to him.
I know I'm not looking very cool. So the last part, guys, can you see there's a green mat there on the other side? The green mat, the end of the cable there. That's where we're going to be landing. When you arrive there, please make sure that you lift your feet up until you stop completely with the brake, then you can put your feet down. Because if you go feet first, you can break your ankle. Okay?
I know about you, Taylor.
You ready, Nessa?
I'll not go now. Everyone can go first.
Up and go. Lift the brake up.
Okay.
And your feet up. Off you go. Lift your feet up.
Okay.
The feet up. Both of them. Just lift your feet up. Off you go.
I'm scared. Okay. I can go now?
Yes, you can go. Come from the side. Let's go down, let's go down, let's go down. You can see it.
Right.
Okay, don't push it further up, just lift it up a little bit. Yeah, just like that. When you lift up the brake, you don't push it up further, just like this is already up, it's fine like that, okay?
Okay.
Don't push it up further because it's still gonna break. There we go.
Pull it down hard. Now turn around. There we go, easily. Now pull yourself hand over hand, far away from the brake system. Keep going. Keep coming, hand over hand. There we go. Keep coming till you can find a place to stay. Now you may stand sideways up. Awesome.
Thanks.
Cool beans.
I don't know why it braked.
Automatic.
How many slides is there?
There, I say we got 8 lines.
So this is number 3.
Yes. This is the third one, and we still got 5 more to go. You can see it? See it? See it? Ready? Up and go. Lift the feet up.
Yeah.
We lift the feet up. Ready? Go. To the back and control yourself.
Okay.
Okay, you need to come and sit down here for me. You can sit down there.
Right.
Go to the front. Ready?
Yep.
Up and go.
I get that. He
So
make
in this one, you just need to control yourself.
He make
As
it.
fast
and
as I can.
not twist, yes. Because if you can twist, there are less chances of you making it as well.
Okay.
Ready?
Speed and
Yeah.
Up and go.
Awesome. Yo. No, don't go. You're lucky there was no wind. There we go. You made it. There we go.
This is yours?
Yeah, this is mine. Because
What we
I
have
must
done
also be safe here. So in this one, there's a tree that is coming to the cable on the right hand side in the middle of the cable. Can you see?
Yeah.
There's a tree there. You can just start reducing the speed from there. Okay?
From the tree.
Yes. Not hard, from just lightly from there.
Ooh, that was a little bit closer. There you go, sir.
Thank you.
Let's go up. Yeah, welcome.
Brake! Brake! Brake!
There we go. There you go.
You tell me.
Yes. There you go.
Oh, it looks nice. Number 6.
Yes, you did it great.
6, 8.
There we go.
2 more left.
Yes.
Nice, darling. You enjoy?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Wow, this is good now.
Yeah. She learns quickly.
Now up, up. No, don't break. Up, 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 up. Yep. Watch your hand. There we go. Now stand up slowly. How was that?
Nice.
Very good.
This one easy.
Yes, you can step right down there.
Right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Up and go.
Up, up. Yeah. Just this one. Yeah, got it. Got it.
How is it you get pulled in? Hey?
You can stand up.
Must be the charm.
Not bad.
You can follow the path up there, my friend. If you see a snake, just call Tahelo because I'm not available. There we go. You can feel them out. Hey!